Supriya Sule just spoke a short while back. She cast a vote in Baramati. Tough fight for her.
हमारा महाराष्ट्र में परफॉर्मेंस कांग्रेस और एनसीपी का अच्छा ही होगा।
लेकिन बाकी आपकी विरोधी अगर पार्टी बात है शिवसेना बीजेपी, उन्होंने अपनी पूरी ताकत झोंक दी थी, बड़े बड़े नेता खुद नरेंद्र मोदी भी यहाँ पे आके प्रचार कर। ऐसे में आप क्या देखते हैं कि लोगों का
जैसे उनके यहाँ बड़े नेता है या हमारे पास भी है, ज्यादा अनुभवी नेता भी हमारे पार्टी में है।
Yesterday when I was talking to you, you said something very interesting, that in Nanded, as far as Ashok Chavan is concerned, the Adarsh issue is really a non-issue. So perhaps he might do very well, and perhaps that might be the reason the Congress chose him in the first place. Kamlesh, if you can hear me, yesterday when I was talking to you, you said a very interesting thing, that as far as Nanded is concerned, for Ashok Chavan and for the people of Nanded, Adarsh is a non-issue. It might not be the reason why they'll vote for him or against him. So clearly that must have been the calculation done by the Congress party as well.
Well, certainly, Maruk, if you remember, Ashok Chavan's name was probably the last name that was declared in the Congress list from Maharashtra. The Congress leadership in Maharashtra, the local units here, they tried and they weighed a different option on fielding whether Ashok Chavan or somebody from his family, but the kind of feedback they got was that if they want to retain Nanded, if they want to win this seat, there is no option but to field Ashok Chavan from this constituency, regardless of the fact that this could backlash at them. Ashok Chavan standing here could give ammunition into the hands of the opposition of targeting him and the Congress party, not only in Maharashtra, across the country over the other camp. But despite all the criticism, despite all the fears, Congress party decided to field Ashok Chavan only based on the local equations here. The Chavan family has been in power for more than 40 years. Ashok Chavan's father has been the chief minister of Maharashtra. Ashok Chavan has been the chief minister twice. So the kind of presence that the Congress party here has through Ashok Chavan, they knew that the local equations could work in favor of Ashok Chavan. Secondly, the MIM has a strong presence in Nanded. It was Nanded where MIM won 16 seats in the local municipal corporation with almost more than 3 lakh Muslim voters here. The MIM could be the changing factor here, but the MIM has not fielded a candidate against Ashok Chavan. Now that is what could work in favor of Ashok Chavan here in Nanded. So that is why he is very relaxed, and he says that for him, though the fight is going to be tough, it's not going to be impossible for Ashok Chavan to win from Nanded.
Interesting. It's interesting how political arithmetic works, Kamlesh. Virendra, you are in Sholapur. From one Congress stalwart, I beg your pardon, to Sushil Kumar Shinde. What are his chances seeming on the ground?
This might be a tough battle for Sushil Kumar Shinde, Maharuk, because last time in 2009, Sushil Kumar Shinde won the election by a margin of 1 lakh voters. And this time, with the BJP, Bansode is just fighting with the expectation that Modi factor will really work in Solapur. Infrastructure-wise and other facilities, nothing has been done in Solapur, despite Sushil Kumar Shinde being in a state and even in the central level. But at this point of time, the money factor and the muscle factor is quite strong from Congress party in Solapur. And what the local people are saying, that despite all these factors, the Modi factor could be dominating part, because the local people believe that they need a change, they need a development in Solapur, and that's the reason Sushil Kumar Shinde, despite being a senior leader in Congress party and despite winning number of elections from this particular constituency, it would be a tough battle. He might win, but the margin of vote might be quite less comparing to 2009. It might be a tough another battle, because there's an Aam Aadmi Party, Lalit Babbar, who is getting support from left party. The senior leader of CPI is supporting Lalit Babbar, Aam Aadmi Party. So that would be a division of vote. So definitely it would be a tough fight for Sushil Kumar Shinde to regain the constituency back and giving a defeat to BJP and Aam Aadmi Party.